This egg roll recipe is what I've been using for some time now, and it has never failed for the past 3 to 4 years that I've been using it. This recipe is all you need for your perfect egg roll, and trust me, you will thank me later. In your mixing bowl, add all your dry ingredients together. Mix everything till it's well combined. After mixing everything together, add your butter into your dry ingredients. Mix this very well till it all blends together. My lovelies, make sure there is no butter lumps in your mixture before adding the water. Now I'll be adding my water. You can add this water bit by bit. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Mix everything together until it forms a dough. One of the things that makes this recipe very special is you don't need milk and you don't need raw egg for this recipe. And trust me, people will keep on asking you if you added milk or egg to it, because this recipe is so rich and very tasty. You will really love it. Another thing is, when you are mixing this, please don't over mix this dough. Allow it to be sticky the way it is. I don't like my dough to be hard. Cover it and allow it to rest for 10-15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. My dough is a bit soft and is sticky. One of the things that make your egg roll come out well is when you fry it in a deep oil. For people that want to do this egg roll in large quantity, the size of this recipe will give us up to 5 or 6 egg roll. So let's say you are doing 10 or 12 of this egg roll, you just multiply it, and that's how you do it for if you are doing 20, 40, 50. My brothers and sisters, make sure you fry on low heat, and before you start putting your egg roll into the oil, try and do tests. Put little butter into the oil to see. I will show you. Can you see? Before you start frying, when you put your egg roll inside the dough, make sure you close your dough very well. Close it very well. I'm going to show it in this video. Close it very well. The reason why I'm putting flour on my dough is so that it will not stick on my palm. Close it very well so that when you put the dough into your hot oil, your egg roll will not pop out and start bringing one funny shape. So this same method is what I will do for the remaining 2 eggs, and we'll fry them till it becomes golden brown. So watch as we continue. So after frying the 4 egg roll, I have some leftover dough in my mixing bowl. I will show you how I fry them as buns, even though they are small, but I fry it as buns at the end of the video. When you are frying your egg roll, please turn it side by side so that it will not burn. Keep turning it so that it will not get burned in one side and the other. Keep stirring and stirring. Don't stop stirring, and don't be tempted to increase the light. Low heat, that's the rule. Low heat so that the egg roll can be done inside properly. Our egg roll is ready. Can you see the beauty? So crunchy and tasty. Like, I can put my whole hand in my chest that this egg roll, if you are selling it or you do it for your friends and family, they will call you guru, egg roll guru. Try this and thank me later. So nice. By now everywhere is scenting nice, yummy, sweet, name it. Like, this is the leftover dough that remained from our egg roll dough. So I fried it like buns and it came out so nice too. Very nice. Let's cut through our egg roll and see can you see how it's literally looking like? No, this egg roll, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to brag too much, I don't want to brag too much. This egg roll is nice. It's good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.